Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we are going to be talking about Uniswap. Now, currently, what we got going on with Uniswap is we're looking at this Fibonacci retracement here that takes us from our 52-week low with Uniswap after it had come down within 5 waves, and it reached the bottom here, what's so far a bottom, I should say, back in the middle of June, just like many of the other cryptocurrencies at this time, and it was priced at around $3.32 at this time. So that's the 52-week low, and then it had gone up within 5 waves. So we came down within a wave 2. Not sure if we completed this wave 2 yet, but what we have going on is we have some corrective waves at the moment, and we're between that 618 Fibonacci level and that 50% Fibonacci level from where we were at within this first wave. So everything that's going on at this moment is just a lot of sideways trading, mostly between these two Fibonacci levels right now. So that 50% Fibonacci level, a price that is just a bit above $6.60, is a very key price for Uniswap to be able to get over, but there's so much resistance at this level. Now, just like what we're seeing with Bitcoin and Ethereum, the resistance that we're seeing with Uniswap right now actually has to do with the moving averages, where our 20-day moving average currently is keeping Uniswap down at the moment. So if we look at what we have our 20 or 50 and our 100-day moving average all lined up and consolidated together, and all three of them are right there at that 50% Fibonacci level. So that 660 price, if we were to go over that, we pretty much just really jump into a very bullish spot with Uniswap if we're able to hold on to it and continue going up. Well, we recently tried that back in the beginning of October. We didn't have any luck, though, managing to hold on to it. A lot of that is actually due to the CPI data coming out. All that fear leading into that is what actually drove it down. So we were seeing a potential rise, a good rise within the price of Uniswap just before that CPI data came out. So what we got going on right now is just a lot of that fear still that is due to that, and a lot of people wondering what's going on with Bitcoin, what's going on with Ethereum, and that's what's kind of putting more weight right now on Uniswap and a lot of the other altcoins as well. Now, looking here on the 4-hour chart, and since nothing here says that we're not in a wave 3 yet, this corrective wave, so I'm expecting this C wave to be the one that is going to help pump us through these different moving averages, but also it's going to be what's going to help out the price of Uniswap to get above that bull market support band. So currently still we're on the other side of that bear market resistance band, and we're very close to actually seeing Uniswap get right up within the bull market support band. And it's right there at that 50% Fibonacci level. And what we were seeing just last time, we were above that back in the end of July and early August. What we're seeing were these larger price movements as it was on the other side of that. Now, keep in mind that other cryptocurrencies that did manage to get on the other side of this bull market support band have seen much larger price movements. For example, one easy one to show you guys would be what we're seeing with Quant. These much larger price movements with Quant was another really key thing. So when Quant managed to get past that, it was when it pumped up to the price of $93. And you look at the price of Quant right now, it really managed to make some big movements after it had been able to surpass that. So if we're able to see that same thing happen here with Uniswap, we might be able to see these much larger price movements, just like what we were seeing when we did surpass that. We went from a price of around $7.80, and it took it all the way up to that $9.92 price. So those were pretty significant price movements within a very short period of time after it had managed to get on the other side. So since we're very close to actually getting on the other side of that and pumping through these different moving averages, this could mean that there could be some larger price moves for Uniswap here very soon, but it's just a matter of time until it's able to get there. So if this is in fact a C wave that we're working on, well, a C wave would be moving to the upside, and in that case, then we would be able to see it get on the other side of this bull market support band. Hopefully, that would be what we would need to be able to take it up much more, because the fact that the bull market support band had come down much more with the all the sideways trading that we've been seeing. It's a lot easier right now to be able to pump through that. Now, the last time that Uniswap was above that bull market support band and making a pretty decent amount of price moves, the big resistance there was that 200-day moving average, which you can see every candlestick was making attempts to try to get over that after it had passed the bull market support band. So keep that in mind, that that's going to be our next big thing that we need to get over. After we get on the other side of the bull market support band, we got to be sure that we're also going to be pumping through that 200-day moving average, which is currently sitting around the price of $7.68. So it's come down a pretty good amount from where it was last time. So if we're able to pump through it now, then we'll probably be seeing much larger price movements as well. And that would help us really smash through this top Fibonacci level and really take off within this wave 3. So those are the current prices that we're working on. We're working on one, trying to just work our way above, let's say, the 100-day moving average, which is at our 50% Fibonacci level at a price of around $6.65. And then that 200-day moving average, which is currently around the price of $7.70. So if we're able to get through all that, then we'll be well above that bull market support band and hopefully be seeing some pretty decent price movements. So until we're at that point, I'm still doing a lot of accumulation of Uniswap, or as much as I can, I should say. So I'm still accumulating Uniswap until we're above that 200-day moving average. After that point, then I'm going to just be watching where it goes and then eventually take some profits. And that will be, of course, sometime after it passes $10, when we know that we're within that wave 3. So I'm saying some profits, not saying I'm going to be selling all my Uniswap after that point. Just taking some profits until we get to a wave 3 completion, and we're within that wave 4, which would be my next accumulation phase. So we'll see how things play out from here. I'll be sure I keep you guys updated on what does happen with Uniswap. So with that being said, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and jump on the next cryptocurrency to talk about.